Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car 4K dash cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Red Tiger F7N Dash Camera. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Vantru N4. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Aperture, f1.8. Display, LCD. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Interface, HDMI, micro SD/DF. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 18 months. Number 3 on our list is HGDO D566. Specifications: brand name, HGDO. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Interface, AVN. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. Front camera, 3840 by 2160p. Rear camera, Full HD 1920 by 1080p. Battery type, lithium battery. Number 2 on our list is Wolfbox G900. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 1 on our list is Vivo A229 PRO. Specifications: brand name, Vivo. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.